Hey guys, welcome back. So, it's time. This has been one of my most requested videos for a long time now, and it's only taken me a year and a half, but I'm finally doing an updated house tour. I know it's taken me forever, but I just want to preface this by saying that it's taken me so long because I was trying to make this house perfect. I'm kind of a perfectionist, but you know, your girl doesn't have the budget to make it perfect, especially because we're only going to be here 3 years or so. So I had to just come to terms that it's not going to be perfect, and it is what it is. Also, stay tuned till the end of the video because I do have some exciting news that is kind of ironic that I'm mentioning this in this video, but stay tuned for that till the end of the video. So we're just gonna do it the same way we did before. There's the front door, nothing's really changed there. Bathroom, pretty much same, except it's got a new ugly toilet seat because the last one broke. And then we have our laundry room, same. And then this is the main entryway. Something you might not have noticed from before. This little kitty here. Say hi, Mila. Mila, say hello. Hi. So yeah, this is our entryway. There's the stairs. Got some decor from Bali. And this closet, it's kind of a nightmare, but I'll show it anyway. Got all this stuff. Nope, no cats allowed in here. Then we have our office. It's kind of chaotic in here because it's kind of like our spare bedroom. Or not spare bedroom, it's kind of like our storage room. Yeah. This is Nick's man cave slash garage slash office because we don't have a garage. So that's that. So we do have some artwork on the wall. We have our furniture from Bali. We got a little cat bed as well. Got the AC running, so if you hear noise, that's what that is. There's our big old couch, Mr. Mugen. It's not as nice as it once was when we first got it, thanks to him. We got our fridge here. And we have some magnets from all the places we've been to so far. And here's the good old kitchen. Put some stuff up there so we can have some storage. And we have this island as well. And our recycling area also continues into the living room. There's a painting that my mom painted. There's some wedding photos. Some of our memories. This area is kind of gross, but this is our recycling station. We put cardboard in here, glass in here. There's Mila's little hideout, and I'll take you guys upstairs. We have some decorations from Japan, Bali. Some paintings that I did ages ago. room. Got all this stuff because we don't have storage in this house. Oops. There's the gym. This used to be the cat room, but decided to put a gym in here. Kind of a small room, but here we have our bedroom where Nick is sleeping because he doesn't feel good. Sorry, but it's the bedroom. Got some pictures, got our AC unit hooked up, the wardrobes. It's kind of ratchet looking, but you know, it is what it is. Mirror, dresser, air purifier. Then if we go in here, this is our guest bedroom where Lauren stayed when she was here. So we have a canopy bed. There's supposed to be a little curtain, but we didn't put it up. Yeah. If you look closely, you can still see her hair on the floor. I haven't really moved anything since she left, but she has this nice view from up here. And because there's like no storage in this house, we put up a ratchet curtain and we kind of hid all of our junk back here that no one really needs to see, but I'm showing you anyway. So that's pretty much it. Sorry if it's a little disappointing. Like I said, it is what it is. We do have some news. And even though I waited this long to make this video, it's kind of ironic that I'm sharing this news in this video, but we're moving. We don't hate the house. It's been good to us, but it's missing a lot of things that we would like and things that we were originally looking for in a house. For instance, you guys know that Nick is really into cars and stuff. He doesn't have a garage and he doesn't have the space to put all of his tools and stuff like that. As you can see, it was kind of just thrown into that office room. So it would be nice for him to have a garage, and also like this house behind us, no offense to them, but it kind of feels like we're being watched all the time. Right, Mila? And we don't really sit outside because it's literally in their driveway. So it's just kind of like an awkward layout. There's really nothing wrong with the house. I actually love it a lot. Served us well. We have a lot of good memories in here. But we did find something better that has storage space. That's another thing that was really bad in this house. There's one closet and that's literally it. There are no closets for your clothes. There's just that tiny little storage area and that's it. Even in the kitchen, you know, there's like a missing area where there could be cabinets, but there aren't cabinets for some reason. Little things like that that don't really make any sense, we do have in our new house. So pretty much we're just waiting on the paperwork to be signed and everything finalized. The tenants do move out, I don't know, in a couple days they should be gone. So we're looking to move out by the end of this month, and yeah, we're really excited. It's gonna be kind of a process, but it's well overdue. Since we did get the house, we are trying to extend another year out here, just because we were kind of robbed our first year and a half because of COVID. We didn't really get to do much. We didn't travel because everything was, you know, under lockdown, but thankfully now things are back to normal. As you can see in my last few vlogs, we were able to travel, go to Rome and all that stuff. So we're trying to do more of that, which is why we're trying to extend. Let me know if you want to see any more house content. Obviously, I'm going to show you the new house once we get the keys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a like and throw in a comment or two if you really want to. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.